డిఫరెంట్‌గా కనిపిస్తున్నారు. అచ్చమైన తెలుగు అమ్మాయిలాగా. వి విష్ ఓన్లీ ద బెస్ట్ ఫర్ యూ ప్లీజ్.
Thank you. Andarki namaskaram. First of all, I would like to thank our guest, Sampath Nandi Garu, Anil Garu, Damodar Garu, Bekam Venugopal Garu, and to all the guests who are present here for the trailer launch. Honestly, this character is very different from all the films that I have done, and to be honest, even I couldn't imagine myself as Devi, but Gyan Sagar sir did. And the time when he narrated me the story, I asked him a question that, are you sure I'll be able to do this character? Because I don't look like this character. I don't know the language, the Kuppam language, which is very different from Telugu itself. And I asked him, I'm not aware about the language. I don't know the body language and everything. And he said, I know you'll do it. He said, I know you're my Devi. So he's the one who convinced me that I can be Devi, and surprisingly, from the first day of the shoot itself, I felt like Devi. I think it was his confidence in me that I could pull it off, and of course, I got a lot of support from Gyan Sagar sir and his entire team, the assistant ADs and everyone, to understand the language, the body language, and everything. Also, thank you so much, Subramaniam Garu, Sumant Garu, for giving me this character, for giving me this role, and throughout the film for such an amazing production. And I definitely had a comfortable shooting experience working with this production, and an amazing experience. And our DOP, Arvind, he is amazing. I mean, the work he has done. So I think this is the first time I've working with such a young group, like the directors and DOPs and I mean everyone. And the set used to be so much fun. And I remember once Gyan Sagar was a little pissed and he started jumping. He literally started jumping on the set. And I'm sorry. But yeah, it used to be such a fun environment to work with. And Sudhir Babu Garu, honestly, from the first day itself, I had such comfort working with him. Even though I didn't know the language, I didn't know the body language of this new character. But because of Sudhir Babu Garu, I think I felt a little comfortable doing this character. And he kept helping me out. He kept helping me with the physical gestures and everything. Like, he used to explain me a lot of things whenever not used to understand things. So yeah, I'm really thankful for that. And to be honest, whatever you have seen on screen, whatever you will see on screen in the theaters, my character Devi, it's all because of the entire team of Harom Hara, because it's all their work which which I have portrayed, but it's all them. So thank you so much for all the efforts, and thank you, Chaitanya Garu, for such beautiful music, beautiful sound. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మాల్విక గారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్